Assalamu alaikum. I'm Marwa Rashed and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the fourth part of English alphabet, from letter P to letter T. As we did in the previous parts, we will learn about name and sound of each letter, its print form, capital and small, two words that start with that letter with their pictures. So, are you ready? Here we go. The name of this letter is P. P. The sound of this letter is P. P. This is the capital P. And this is the small p. Parrot. Parrot. P, P, parrot. P, P, parrot. Penguin. Penguin. P, P, penguin. P, P, penguin. The name of this letter is Q. Q. The sound of this letter is Q. Q. This is the capital Q. And this is the small q. Queen. Queen. Q, Q, queen. Q, Q, queen. Question. Question. Q, Q, question. Q, Q, question. The name of this letter is R. R. The sound of this letter is R. R. This is the capital R. And this is the small r. Rabbit. Rabbit. R, R, rabbit. R, R, rabbit. Run. Run. R, R, run. R, R, run. The name of this letter is S. S. The sound of this letter is S. S. This is the capital S. And this is the small s. Starfish. Starfish. S. S. Starfish. S, S, starfish. Sun. Sun. S, S, sun. S, S, sun. The name of this letter is T. T. The sound of this letter is T. T. This is the capital T. And this is the small t. Tiger. Tiger. T, T, tiger. T, T, tiger. Tree. Tree. T, T, tree. T, T, tree. Let's review. P. 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 Parrot. Parrot. Penguin. Penguin. Q. Q. Qu. Qu, queen, queen. Question, question. R, R. R, R. Rabbit, rabbit. Run, run. S, S. S, S. Starfish, starfish. Sun, sun. T, T. T, T. Tiger, tiger. Tree, tree. And that was the end of part 4. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You can follow me on YouTube and Facebook. To be continued in the coming parts. Thanks for watching.